Hey, what's up, guys? And welcome back to Planet Inting. My name is Vince, and if you're planning to buy a used drone, watch this, or you might end up losing up your hard earned money or save some. Oh. Now, I need to warn you about something that can completely brick your drone. Well, even though it looks perfect. Mhm. Now, a lot of secondhand drones today are still locked to their previous owner's account, which means you can't activate it, you can't fly with it, and you can't update the firmware. In some cases, you might get grounded permanently. Now, let me explain before you get scammed. Now, what is an account bound drone? Now, most modern drones, like DJI, are linked to their owner's account for activation, fly safe and geofencing, care refresh and warranty. And if the previous owner didn't unbind the drone from their account, well, you're stuck. Now, even if you reset the drone, the system can still recognize it as already owned by the previous owner or someone else. Now, here's how people get trapped. You know? Now, usually sellers disappear after payment. Ouch. Now, seller says just do a factory reset. Well, it doesn't work. And seller forgot their login details. These are true stories, folks, and happening. And seller is banned or account got deleted. And even worse, the drone got stolen or resold. Now, you end up winning a very expensive paperweight there, my friend. So before buying, now ask the seller to unbind the drone from their account in front of you. There. These are very important steps before handing out your money. And also, it will be best to connect the drone to your phone and log in with your own DJI account. Now, check if activation works, of course. Do a test fly, just even like hover, do a simple hover, and check the serial number, of course. And if the drone is just purchased within the year, it would be best to ask for a receipt for proof of purchase, being certified that he's the first owner or the original owner there. And also, in case that the seller is not able to provide these information, just simply walk away. That's it. Decline, walk away. And also, and as a beginner as well, if this is your first drone and hoping to save some money. Now, if you're a beginner or a vlogger or planning to travel with your drone, buying used can be also risky as well. Now, one locked drone can ruin a trip, a shoot, a your content schedule, those stuff. Now, if you're on the budget, now it would be best to look for official refurbished drones, from trusted shops, or better yet, buy brand new entry level drones instead of risky secondhand units. Now, I have a video for that. The advantages of getting or picking up entry drones. I'll have that link to my video there. Okay, so for those who are starting up or buying their first drones. Yeah. And now, if this content is helpful and save you from getting scammed, okay, just drop a like. Appreciated. Or subscribe to Planet Inting for more drone tips, POV videos, and creator gear guides. Okay, so comment below. And if you experience this or almost got scammed, please do leave a comment. And yeah, and soon, if you subscribe, I'll be posting drone shots, POV, what have you. And in fact, I'm still in the edit right now, so do subscribe to be updated on that video when it's live. Okay, so if this helped you much, thank you so much for watching, and I hope it helped a ton. Click and subscribe, like, share, comment, please do. In that way, yeah, so we can have a enjoyable flying experience here. So thank you. You have an awesome day. This is Vince for Planet Inting. See you in the next one.